Hello! This video summarizes our work in exploring cognition and affect during human-cobot interaction. In this research, we aim to program a collaborative robot that completes repetitive and simple tasks, allowing the human operator to participate in tasks that are more skill-intensive, while also having knowledge of the user's emotional data in order to form adaptive behaviors to their current affective state. Using a consumer-grade EEG device with 5 sensors, and a collaborative robot arm with 6 degrees of freedom, we program the robot to adapt to a user's stress and concentration levels using its motor speed and RGB lighting. The robot's speed slows down if the user's data is at a concerningly high level, and its RGB light flashes green if the user is in a relaxed state, or turns off if the user's stress level is at 0.7 or more in a 0 to 1 scale. The Emotive EEG headset transmits brainwave data to the Emotive Launcher software on a computer via Bluetooth, where a Java application named Dashboard receives, visualizes, and sends the data through WebSocket communication. This data is sent to our control module running on a Raspberry Pi inside of the cobot. For more information, we encourage you to read our late-breaking report or to visit our presentation.